Bella Bailey died in Stafford Hospital in November 2007. Her daughter, Julie, was so concerned about the care the 86-year-old was receiving that she slept in a chair at her bedside for 8 weeks.
It was filthy, absolutely filthy. Blood up the window. There was faeces all over my mum's curtain that went round the bed.
It's Julie's belief that the treatment her mother received quickened her death.
My mum was dropped by a member of staff who hadn't been manually handling trained. They didn't have any regard for health and safety. They didn't seem to understand.
The Healthcare Commission has found that between 2005 and 2008 there were deficiencies at virtually every stage of emergency care at the hospital.
There was low staffing levels across the trust as a whole. When patients came in to A&E, they were often seen by unqualified people. Some crucial equipment for the handling of people who have an emergency was either not in place or not working.
The NHS watchdog says that while it was impossible to blame all of the 400 extra deaths on the hospital's care, some patients would have died as a result of these failings.
I very much regret the care that they've experienced. I apologise for the care that where we fell short of their expectations. We have made substantial improvements, particularly since January 2008. We've significantly increased the number of nurses that we now have working on the site. We've put additional 100 nurses in, over 30 doctors and additional housekeepers.
The report says that hitting targets or aiming for trust status should never lessen patient safety.
To blame targets for this is to completely let this hospital off the hook. Hospitals up and down the country meet their targets every day. They meet the 4-hour maximum waiting target in A&E. That's important to the public, and they do so without compromising the quality and safety of patient care.
For many, the idea of receptionists carrying out medical checks and nurses unable to use heart monitors is almost unbelievable. But for these campaigners who lost relatives, it was a reality. It's for those same people that this report comes far too late. Amanda Walker, Sky News.